We can all do more with HughesNet Gen 4.
It's awesome for downloading songs and listening to music online.
It makes doing homework so much easier.
I'm finally getting into this whole social networking, and HughesNet Gen 4 definitely makes it easier. I just shared all our vacation pictures. Now we can live where we love and still stay connected. And you can too. Just get HughesNet Gen 4.
Sign up now for HughesNet Gen 4 and get speeds up to 15 megabits per second with improved download capacity.
You see what he did?
Captain Bill Simpson plans to save his family from the geomagnetic storm he fears by taking to the sea in a 90-ton all-steel sailboat called the Iron Maiden. This weekend, he's breaking in a new crew by sailing a 70-mile bug-out route from his home base in Portland, Oregon, to the Pacific Ocean.
The ultimate craft is a boat. This is